Well, the weekend was spectacular, you guys.
Yeah, it was great. We're in a good mood.
Time to pay the piper.
We're still going to be in a good mood. We just got to contend with a little bit of winter weather. It is now meteorological spring, so we're kind of on that roller coaster ride. This is our camera atop Lookout Mountain. Just a couple of clouds out there, the city lights sparkling on a Sunday evening for us. And of course, temperatures this afternoon feeling so good, feeling like spring for sure. 70s down there in Lamar and La Junta, Pueblo and Ray too. Mid to upper 60s here for the urban corridor, 40s, 50s, and even some 60s up there through the high country. Looking at our daytime high, overnight low, well above average for this time of the year. Typically, we should be about 50 degrees. Here we go, though. Old Man Winter making a comeback to Colorado pretty much by this time tomorrow night. Our area of low pressure sitting and spinning across parts of the desert southwest. That'll inch closer into Colorado by tomorrow afternoon, hitting the high country first. Tonight here in town, very mild conditions. Few clouds out there. We'll drop off into the 30s for many folks here in eastern Colorado with teens and 20s up in the mountains. Now, as the storm system approaches, the winds will start to crank up, especially in far southeastern Colorado. It will still be another mild afternoon, so I'll be watching out for some high fire danger out ahead of this storm. As it rotates across the state, we'll be looking at some rain.